Hey everyone, greetings from USAIS. Today we will discuss about the fastest pathway for getting a US green card, the EB-1A visa. The EB-1A visa are for those individuals who have shown extraordinary category in the arts, science, business or athletics. Now, what is EB-1A visa? The EB-1A visa is also known as the Einstein visa for those people who have achieved something extraordinary in their career. Now, what does the term extraordinary means? Extraordinary means that you have a upper hand in your certain field or expertise as compared to your colleagues or your professionals who are in the same field. Now, how to show extraordinary category? You can show extraordinary category by showing that you have received something major award like Nobel Prize, or by showing that you are receiving a salary that is above the standards of the criteria your colleagues or your similar people are receiving. Now, let's discuss what are the benefits of an EB-1A visa. The major benefit of an EB-1A visa is that you do not need any kind of employer or sponsorship from the US entity. It can be self-sponsored. Most of the other visas require a US employer or sponsorship, and without that you cannot apply for a US visa. Your spouse and children under 21 years of age will also directly lead to a green card once your EB-1A visa is approved. Third is that you can opt for premium processing, and within 15 days you can get your EB-1A visa decision. Now let's talk about what are the requirements for an EB-1A visa. To qualify for an EB-1A visa, USCIS has demonstrated around 10 eligibility criteria, out of which 3 are minimum and you will need to fulfill, but 3 are not recommended. At least while submitting a petition, you should at least qualify for 4 to 5 criteria. Now I will tell you what are the 3 main criteria that you will need to take care of. First is that you are an extraordinary category in the field of art, science, business and education. Second one is the performance that you will be doing, the work that you will be doing in US should benefit the US economy. And the third point is the field should be the same for which you will be getting your EB-1A approval, and you will be continuing the same work in the United States. So overall, in comparison, EB-1A is the best way for getting a US green card, and it will also lead to a direct green card in a minimum period of time frame if we compare it to any other category. So if you are a qualified person, or if you demonstrate these type of categories in your profile, then you can choose EB-1A, and you and your family and children can get a direct green card access in the United States. For more information, visit our website www.usariaimmigrationservices.com or www.useb1visa.com. You can comment your questions in the comment section and we will get back to you. Thank you.